November 22nd, Saturday. It's about 70 degrees, wind's blowing about 15-20 miles an hour, and this is my first set in Bracken County stand after that Piebald doe. There were about 44 pictures on the trail camera. Put the corn out 2 days ago, so something's found it. Hope it was a Piebald doe. $6.57. I guess I hit her in the spine. She went straight down. She's about 20 yards away. I think they were getting my wind. It took them a while to come in. There was 3 does, and I saw a buck, a little buck across the creek, but I don't think it ever came in. Yep. She's got a lot of white up on her neck, on her legs. Then the white from her belly goes about halfway up. And she's got like an Appaloosa rear end. I think it's pretty much the same on both sides. Pretty deer. Well, that's about as quick as hunt as I ever had for a specific deer. Hung the stand Thursday and put some corn out and a little bit of come here deer. Hung the camera up. I had 42 pictures when I come in today. This was the first day in, and I'm hoping some will be her. I got here I was in the stand at 5:15, and there was another doe with her that came in first. They came right off the back side of this hill, and she was right behind. I could see her coming. And there was another, I think it was a fawn with the older doe. The older doe was probably her mother. And there was a young buck with them too. It was probably her sibling. I didn't see any white on him though, although I didn't get a good look at him. I just saw his head before he crossed the creek. I seen a little horn on him. I don't think he ever crossed the creek before I shot her. I think they were smelling me because Mom come up and she didn't stick her nose at me here, but she was looking around. So, and actually I thought they was gonna go on by me. I thought they smelled me because they come off this hill and they actually went by, but I guess they was just getting to the creek crossing, and they came down where the creek crossing was and crossed and went on less than 2 hour hunt for pretty deer.